What do you think of when I say plastic pollution? Maybe this, or this, and you'd be right. But what if I told you that the biggest culprit in American households is actually this? Microplastic pollution caused by washing synthetic textiles has recently been assessed as the main source of microplastics in the ocean. So what is a microplastic? Microplastics are extremely small pieces of plastic that pollute our environment. While not a specific plastic, these particles are fragments from a larger source. Microplastic pollution is not limited to simply water bottles. Synthetic textiles, shoes, and tires all break down over time. So how small is a microplastic? A microplastic is classified as any plastic smaller than 5 millimeters, which is comparable to the eraser of a pencil. The majority of microplastics, however, are smaller than 1 millimeter, comparable to the tip. Okay, well, how could something as solid as my shirt or a bottle turn into something as small as that? Fabrics undergo mechanical and chemical stress in a washing machine, leading microfibers to detach from the clothing. While something may feel solid, tiny particles are constantly being left behind due to wear and tear. So what does this have to do with washing your clothes? While your synthetic clothes wash, small microplastics detach from the yarns that constitute the textile. These microplastics are usually not visible to the eye and will be drained out with the cycle's dirty water. After washing your clothes, do they ever have pilling or look worn out? While it may simply be an annoyance, the fibers of your clothes are causing much more damage than meets the eye. Okay, well, how much damage could my polyester shorts really be causing? After washing your clothes, your water is most likely sent to a wastewater treatment plant. Due to a microplastic's small dimensions, the fibers can pass through a wastewater treatment plant and be directly released into the oceans. If this plastic is so small, how could it be causing so much damage to the environment? As aquatic creatures unknowingly consume microplastics, these particles begin to build up in their digestive tracts. This reduces the urge to eat, which reduces growth and causes some animals to starve and die. As animals lower on the food chain die off, this poses a massive threat to the livelihood of bigger predators. So, how do we fix this problem? While synthetic clothing textiles are obviously the root of this problem, that will likely not be fixed anytime soon. However, two main things need to be implemented to stop this problem. Waste treatment facilities need to be reevaluated in order to implement microplastic filters at all locations. In addition to this, washers should be made with built-in microplastic filters. Until this happens, the next time you go shopping, check the label.